Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are diving into the world of string manipulation in Java. I think you might be familiar with the string class and you have been felt some complicated, especially when trying to modify strings, right? In this video, I am Atira and I am here to show you how string builders and string buffer can transform your string manipulation game. So let's dive into it. As I said, string concatenation, mostly modifying string using string concatenation with plus operator can quickly turn into a messy pile of code, right? So, as we know, Java offers some powerful tools, especially for string manipulation. They are string buffer and string builders. So, I can say that by end of this video, you would be able to choose the right tool, whether you are working on single program or multiple programs accessing the same data, like same string data. So now, before going to the main classes like string buffer and string builders, let us know the string class limitation. So let us start with the string class, which is the like workhouse of string manipulation in Java. It provides some basic functionalities, but there are few things to keep in mind that, like example, if imagine you have a whiteboard where you are writing down some text and but you can't erase it and change it in that place directly, right? So that's kind of how string class works and all. So the content is fixed once it's created. Additionally, if you keep adding strings together to the operator using like plus operator, it's like sticking new sticky notes on the whiteboard instead of rewriting it, right? So now, like this is an inefficient for performance and memory storage. Uh, so to overcome these challenges, there has been an introduction of two manipulation classes like string buffer and like versatile classes like buffer and builders. So before going to like let's see a piece of code which shows how the plus operator takes much time uh, than the string builder methods. So in string builders, we can use methods like append and all. But in string class, we should use that plus operator to add the string or concatenate the string. So once let's run the code and see how much time it takes. So here we can see the output that the time taken by the regular concatenation is like it's measured in nanoseconds, and in the code we are using some start time and end time and minusing it how much time it's taking and all. We measured it, and you can see that time taken by string builder is less than time taken by the regular compound. So this is why mostly we are going to uh, introduce the topic like string builder and string buffer. So now let's dive into the topics. As I mentioned, limitations of string class are immutability. And what is immutability is like we can't change it directly. Like we can't modify the given string, like frequently modify the taken string. I mean, the string class in Java is immutable. And now coming to performance issues, like it's it leads to many performance problems during the concatenation, especially in loops and recursive calls. And coming to memory allocation, uh, using string class, each string operation creates a new objects, like which leads to more memory usage and all. And now let's dive into like introducing the string builder and string buffer. So introducing string builder, here comes the hero of the story, string builder. It was introduced in Java 1.5. It addresses the limitations of string class. So now think of as we have thought like whiteboard when we came to that string class. Now we are thinking of a editable whiteboard when we are talking the topic about string builder. So you can write on it, erase parts, and modify content as it's an editable whiteboard. This makes it ideal for building string dynamically, right? Adding elements one piece at a time, or inserting text at specific positions, or removing unwanted parts using some methods. So, as I said, it is a mutable string builder. It is more efficient than string. It is more efficient for string manipulating tasks. Like there is an important thing to note that while string builder has lets us modify string freely, it's not suited for situations like multiple programs. Might be like working with multiple programs is inefficient in the case of string builders. So, uh, like imagine you are creating a fancy formatted output for a program. So you can use string builder to build string piece by piece and adding things to its like labels, values, about and etc. Like you can add characters or format characters. Additionally, string builder can help you optimizing the memory usage by modifying existing content and all. So there are many functions that are like many methods that are introduced in string builder class. So let us go through a piece of code which can say about like string builder. Okay. So this is a code which can make us think about this, like know about the string builder class. So here is like we are creating a string builder. We are taking like class is string builder as demo, like we are taking it, and we have a string which is Alice. So like we are printing the name, and then we are appending another name Bob to it, and we can also insert the name after some index numbers, like we have index 0, 1, 2, 3, right? And you can also replace it. So whenever I run this code, I can see that see our original name was Alice, and using this appending, we can add the name like Alice after then Bob. Using insert function, you can add the name wherever you want at any place you can want. Like we are adding this string at fifth place. And now coming to like replace. So replacing the Bob with Smith. So these are some example of string builder things. Now, now let's know about string buffer. String buffer is also introduced in Java 1.5, and it also offers functionalities very similar to string builders. Like think of it as a cousin of builder. Like as it's offering the same functionalities and all. So let's think of string builder. Cousin is string buffer, or string buffer is the cousin of string builder. So with one key difference, like it has a one key difference that it is thread safety. I mean, imagine like you have imagined that editable whiteboard for a string builder, right? So now we are imagining a shared whiteboard, but this time there will be a supervisor to it, like thread safety, I mean, ensuring everyone who wants to write on the board gets turn and sees the latest changes. So everyone can use the same board and can watch the previous changes and edit as they like. So this way, there will be no conflicts, right? And everyone has consistent view of the data, their own view of data. So that is what I meant to say. It is a like string buffer is nothing but a synchronized version of string builder, providing thread safety for concurrent operations. So now let us here I have just given a program of string builder. Right now, let us go to the sample code of string buffer. So this is the string buffer, and here we are using the string as hello, string buffer as hello. As I'm saying that here we are using object as message, creating new object to the class string buffer, and The string here we are using is hello. This is the original message, and we are using the same functions, like I mean, same method append here to add anything like hello world. We are adding world to hello, and now here you can reverse this string. So even though in that function in string builder also you can reverse that, but I have just used some methods in that and some different methods in here. Both have same methods and all. As I have said that string buffer is cousin of string builder, right? So here you can reverse and delete the things. So now let's run the code and see. So see, first original message was hello, and then we have appended hello world. The output we got is hello world, and now we are reversing it. So it totally change it from left to right and right to left. Now you are deleting some from certain index point to certain index point as you require. So here E to L E L L O has been deleted. As your reversed string, seventh will be from starting from O and it will be ending at 12 will be at E. So this part has been deleted. So these are this is the efficient way of string manipulation than we have seen in string class using string buffer and string builder classes. So now let us, as you have known about string buffer and string builder, I think you have understood what will be the difference between these both classes, right? Uh, the same code here I have represented it, and now this is a key difference. So when it comes to mutability, I mean, you can change the code, like change the existing original thing, right? Both string buffer and string builder can change, I mean, edit the original thing. Both are mutable. And now coming to thread safety, string buffer is synchronized. I mean, string buffers are thread safety, can be used by multiple programs, but string builders are not. And coming to performance, string builders generally faster than string buffer. As string buffers can perform multiple operations, like multiple programs, work with multiple programs, it takes some time than string builder. So we can say that string builder is faster than string buffer. This is what I'm saying. Like string builder offers better performance for every thread applications and all. But coming to string buffer, they provide thread safety, making it suitable for concatenating a concurrent operations on the string. But it takes slightly more time than the string builders. Use cases. When we come to the use cases, as string builders are recommended singly threaded and all, it can be used in single tags. So we can use it for building dynamic URLs or formatting text and etc. In coming in the real world things. So when we talk about string buffers are, as I have said, that it is multi-threaded programming thing and all. It can work with multi-threaded environments where it is thread safe. It can perform the, like it can be used for logging and message queues and all. Now, as I have said that there are several methods for manipulating string using the string builder class and string buffer classes. Here there are some methods. As I have said, append the string to the original string, append a integer value, appending character, or appending at based on a unique code and inserting some element from like at required index point and inserting some character required index point, inserting some integer value at required index point, deleting some string part of string at some starting point and ending point. These are all some functions, like I mean methods, which we are using in manipulating strings uh, using this string builder class, which are under string builder class. And when we come to these string buffer methods, like string buffer provides a similar methods to string builder, providing a key difference. As I've said, it's the thread safety. And now coming to advantages of string builder and string buffer. So advantage is performance faster and efficient. It is more faster and efficient than the of string class things. It is while we are manipulating a string compared to string class, it is more faster and efficient, which is like string builder and string buffer are more faster and efficient than string class. When we are not comparing between string builder and string buffer, as we already know that in performance wise, string uh, string builder is more faster than string buffer, right? As string builder is taking multiple tasks. Now memory efficiency, as I've said, string class can take lots of memory uh, in compared with string builder and string buffer. And flexibility, as we can use so many functions like appending, inserting, deleting characters or integers or string wherever we can want, like way from a certain index or anything, like it has flexibility during the coding pattern. So conclusion is we can use Java developers can optimize their string manipulation tasks using these capabilities of string building and string builders and string buffer. So that's it for string builder and string buffer. So if you have any questions or specific methods that you would like to see or covered in future video, like let me comment below and I will do my best to address them. Happy string manipulation in Java. Thank you.